So would you like to set up shipping settings into your store of the Shopify? Let's see how we can check out the Shopify shipping settings rates. First of all, what I want to do is to access my Shopify. So once you are directly inside the Shopify store, what I want to be doing here is to focus inside the access the shipping settings. So here, let's navigate to the left pod. Here, down where it says settings. Now here, you can configure the shipping rates and crucial for providing accuracy shipping codes to your customers by clicking here what it says shipping and delivery. So now what I wanted to do is to define the shipping zones. So start by defining your shipping zones, represented geographically, regions where you can ship your products. So common zones might include domestic, for example, the United States, or international regions. So click into the create shipping zone or create a new profile, and then enter the countries or the regions that you wanted to include into each zone. So for example, we have the profile name. Let's go for North America, and here have the products that are applicable for my section. In this case, let's say for select display items, which is all of them. I hit now into done, and here is my shipping origins. Now here what I can do is to choose the option that says show details, and I wanted to enable only the applications that are available. This is totally depending if you are doing some drop shipping or print on demand, which they actually make the creating zones automatically. Now in this case, I'm going to add a new zone for creating my place I wanted to ship to. So let's go for create zone. And here what you can do is to add the elements that are available inside yourself. In this case, since I only select the region of North America, what I can do is to just dot north. And here, as you can see, I have Canada, so I can select this element. I can select all the United States, and that will be actually it. I can add more regions here later on. But then what I wanted to do is to only focus inside the zone name. Once again, North America. And lastly, I'm going to hit now into done. Now, if you wanted to focus on adding more different rates and markets, what I can do is to go, instead of going directly inside the shipping and delivery, focused into the markets. Here into the markets, what you can do is to check out all the markets and the recommendations based on our stores. So what we can do is to start selling abroad by activate the international market, collect tax and duties, add the Spanish language to my market, and adding a cookie banner. So in this case, I'm going to add a new market. And here, let's say, for example, that I just type, once again, North America. Inside here, it's going to be showing me the actual elements. In this case, I can scroll a little bit down and figure it out if I can see this, the North America here. So I can scroll a little bit up. Here it is. And I go for add to the market. Only available for North America. And you can see that here inside the market settings, I can change the language and the domains, the products and the pricing, the duties and the import taxes, the shipping, the payments, taxes, and the market performance. What I can totally suggest you is to open a new tab and try to figure out what are the taxes depending on the country you want to get started in order to activate this market. And lastly, what you can do is to add the shipping rules. So shipping rules can be helping you to offer customers let's say rules that you can apply specific conditions or restrictions to shipping rates. So for example, maybe you might offer free shipping for specific products or exclude certain products from expedited shipping. So that's totally depending on where you're actually trying to sell all those stuff. So what you can do is to manage that product when it comes for only the shipping profile that you're getting started with. Make sure that you have saved all the changes before you check out here the shipping and delivery zones. And lastly, the actual order routing. Now, into Save It package, what you can do is to see and calculate the shipping rates at the checkout and pre-select when buying some labels. So what you can do is to choose the package name of your product, let's say product number 1, and the package type should be, of course, boxed. So here into link, what you can do is to choose the size of your product, and here I'm going to go for add the package. So this is just to make sure the calculation of the default package so you can get started by calculate rates at the checkout. If you want to calculate this and use your own rates, what you can do is to enable a third-party application that can help you to get started in, or you can just upgrade your plan from Shopify so they can be helping you to do this automatically. And lastly, guys, you have the setup guide. It can be helping you to add much more stuff just in case your store hasn't been claimed it or let's say finished yet. You can even go here into settings, focus into markets, and you have a few recommendations based on similar stores that of course focus into selling stuff that are similar to you. So check those information guys in order to have the best solution for your store. And well, that is actually it. Lastly, what you want to do is to just test the shipping rates before you make any shipping settings live. Just test and show it works as intended. And save this and go live. So make sure to communicate any changes to your customers and monitor shippings and performance to address any issues to arise. And there you have it guys. You have successfully set up shipping settings into your Shopify store. And this ensures for smooth and efficient order fulfillment for your customers guys. So thank you for watching guys. If you find this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe and share this video. Stay tuned for more online media for more helpful tips and tutorials. Until next time.